Oh no! This is my body! Oh, please help me! Oh my god, please help me!
Oh my god, viewers, these videos are absolutely amazing. And guess what? I created these iron football style videos in just one click using a 100% free AI tool. So without wasting any time, first of all, go to YouTube and search for the channel called Iron Football. As you can see, this channel has over 9.34 million subscribers, and that is absolutely insane. Now let's move to the shorts section and click on Popular. Just look at these views, guys. 100 million plus, 25 million plus, 10 million plus views. So many of their videos are going insanely viral. Now let me also show you their latest shorts because that's what we're going to recreate today. Oh my god, viewers, just look at these latest uploads. These 3D Roblox-style football player animations look absolutely incredible. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create the exact same style of videos using completely free AI tools. Alright viewers, now let's move to the most important part, the master prompt. I've already created a powerful master prompt for you guys, and honestly, this prompt is absolutely insane because it includes everything. Image prompts, video prompts, short voiceover lines, scene directions, cinematic details, literally A to Z, everything is included. And the best part, you'll find this master prompt completely free in the video description. You can simply download it and use it instantly for your own videos. Now let me show you how powerful this prompt really is. I'm going to read it out quickly and then copy the entire prompt. After copying it, I'll move directly to ChatGPT. Once I open ChatGPT, I'll simply paste the master prompt and click on the Generate option. Now we just wait for a few seconds. And boom! Oh my god, viewers, just look at this. Scene 1 image prompt, video prompt, voiceover. Scene 2 image prompt, video prompt, voiceover. Scene 3, Scene 4, everything is automatically generated in just one click. This is absolutely amazing. You can clearly see how detailed and professional these prompts are. Every single scene is perfectly structured for viral short-form content. I'll simply copy all the prompts and save them inside a document file so everything stays organized. Once the prompts are saved, I'll copy only the image prompts because now we're moving to the image generation section. For generating images, we'll use a website called Flow AI. And viewers, this website is absolutely amazing. I've told you many times before that this platform is 100% free, and the best thing is that you can use Nano Banana completely free and unlimited. I'll copy my first image prompt and paste it here. Now I'll click on the Generate button. At this point, you just need a little patience. Wait a few seconds, and boom! Oh my god, viewers, our first image is now ready. And just look at how amazing it looks. Now I'll copy the second prompt, paste it here, and click on Generate again. Let's wait a little, and boom! The second image is also generated successfully, and honestly, it looks even more amazing. Now I'll continue generating Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, and more one by one so I can properly show you the full quality and consistency of these prompts. I'll keep copying and pasting each prompt, and boom! Oh my god, viewers, all my scenes are finally ready now. Just look at these images carefully. Every single image looks super unique, highly detailed, colorful, cinematic, and professionally generated. And once again, I'm telling you, this niche is trending insanely right now. Now after generating all the images, I'll simply download them. And after downloading, we'll move to the most important step of today's video tool. So, let's go! Okay viewers, now for the video generation part, I'm going to open a very simple and powerful tool called Inu AI. And viewers, this website is absolutely amazing. The best thing about this platform is that when you sign up with just one Gmail account, it gives you around 500 free credits. And honestly, that is insane for a free AI tool. Now after opening the website, look at the left corner. You'll see options like Home, Story, and Playground. From there, simply click on the AI Video option. As soon as you click on AI Video, this kind of interface will appear on your screen. Now at the bottom, where it says Fast, click there and select the model version. Here I'm going to select WAN 2.6 because the quality of this model is absolutely insane. After selecting the model, I'll set the video duration to 5 seconds. Then I'll select the aspect ratio as 9:16 because we are creating YouTube Shorts and TikTok-style vertical videos. Everything else like quality and audio is already perfectly fine. As you can see, generating one video will cost around 170 credits. Now what I'll do is upload my first image, the image that I want to convert into a cinematic AI video. After uploading the image, I'll simply give it a detailed animation prompt. Once the prompt is ready, I'll click on the Generate button. And viewers, as you can see, my first AI video has started generating right now. Good AI results always take a little bit of time, so just wait a few moments. And boom! Oh my god, viewers! My first AI video is finally ready. And just look at how amazing this looks. Messi is running dynamically, trying to dodge defenders. The movement looks smooth, cinematic, and super engaging. This honestly looks like a professional animated football short. Now, I'll simply download this video and save it. Alright viewers, now let's move on to the second image. I'll upload the second image, give it another high-quality cinematic prompt, and after setting everything properly, I'll click on Generate again. As you can see, my second AI video has also started generating. Again, you just need a little patience because better AI quality takes some time. And after waiting a few seconds, boom! Okay viewers, my second video is also ready now, and honestly, the quality is so good. The motion looks smooth, the expressions are amazing, and overall everything looks super professional and engaging. Now I'll save and download this video as well. After that, I'll upload my final third image. For this one, I'll select the Hauilo 2.3 model because it consumes fewer credits, around 154 credits instead of 170 plus. This is actually a smart trick because if you use the higher models too much, your credits will finish quickly. So for some scenes, using Hauilo 2.3 is a very good option. Now I'll click on Generate again. And viewers, as you can see, my final AI video is almost ready. Oh my god, this looks absolutely incredible. Messi enjoying football, cinematic movement, smooth animation, everything looks so realistic and viral ready. Alright viewers, these are the 3 videos that I generated completely free using this AI tool. Final editing step. For editing, I'll simply open CapCut. After opening CapCut, I'll drag and import all my generated videos into the timeline. Once all the clips are imported, I'll arrange them properly in sequence so the final video looks smooth and cinematic. Now, if you want to remove any logo or watermark, simply click on the scale option and zoom the video slightly until the logo disappears. After everything looks perfect, I'll finally click on the Export button. And now, just look at the final result of our video. This is absolutely amazing, viewers. Today, I created this entire viral football animation video using 100% free AI tools, and you can clearly see how engaging, cinematic, and professional the final result looks. I truly hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something valuable from it. If you did, then make sure to subscribe to our channel because we continuously bring you the latest AI tools, viral ideas, and powerful tutorials to help you grow faster online. Thanks for watching, viewers. Goodbye.